Hi there, Francois here from the Green Homestead. Now we're living off grid, and living off grid is awesome. So our electricity is off grid. Over there you can see our water storage tank. Our water is off grid, and these are our warm water heaters. So our warm water is also off grid, but living off grid requires some maintenance as well. So I'd like to show you what I'm doing here. I'm just washing the solar water heaters, these geysers, and over time that starts to build up. I hope you can see it, but these, yeah, there you can see some of the dirt and stuff on these tubes. Now this dirt blocks the sun to reduce the effectiveness of the solar heater. So on this side I've already started to clean it. Now I couldn't remove all of the calcium buildup, what do you call that? Well, anyway, the white spots, the white residue that's left behind from the calcium in the water. I couldn't remove that with the normal window cleaner that I'm using. Okay, so this is just, so I'm using this water heaters now for 3 or 4 years, and it's the first time that I wash it. But then also take into account I had it in storage when we bought this property and we moved here. I had this in storage for almost 3 years, so it got dirty as well inside storage. So now I'm cleaning it. Yesterday afternoon I felt that the water was only lukewarm, of spending it had an entire day of full sunshine and the water was only lukewarm. That's why I decided, okay, it's time to wash it and to see what the results are. So washing it is a fairly straightforward process. What I'm doing is I just add some of the window cleaner onto the rack on one spot so that I remember that's where I've put it, and I use the rack to just wipe it off. I wonder if you can see the soapy residue, and then I take a dry piece of the rack and I wipe it clean. There you go, this one is done. Next one, so I'm using the piece where I applied the window cleaner to the rack. So I'm scrubbing it just a little bit, just rubbing it a little bit, and now the dry piece. And done. Right, thank you for watching.